Hi everyone, this is Venkatram. In this video, we will learn how to create a VPC and how to create subnet and how to create a route table and how to create an internet gateway. Now we are logging to our VPC AWS console. Make sure before you creating a VPC whether you are in your respected region or not to created your VPC. As of now I am in Asia Pacific, Mumbai, AP South 1 is the our region. Okay, I want to create a VPC in Mumbai region. Go to services and type VPC and click on the VPC, and it takes you to the VPC dashboard. See, this dashboard, VPC dashboard, shows the VPCs, NAT gateways, subnets, VPC peerings, and route tables, and internet gateway security groups. All the things we can see here in the VPC dashboard, as well as we see the here service health of our region. As of now we are in the Amazon. It is the current status is of the Mumbai region is normally operating service. Okay, fine. Now we will go to create our VPC. Click on your VPCs and click on create VPC. Here VPC is an isolated partition and could populate the objects such as EC2 instance. You must specify the IPv4 in your VPC. Okay, we are IPC address ranges we are specifying in our VPC. The inter-domain range, inter-domain routing block of the is supported by the AWS is 1/16. That means by 16 is the highest. More than that, it not allowed by the Amazon. So let us give name tag to our VPC, vvram VPC, and block is address is 192.168.0.0 by 16, and we give default. Here there is an option called dedicated. That means if we want to use dedicated non-sharing, that means the essentially the AWS provide as a physical server. If it is a default, we can use shared resources with the other customer in the cloud. Okay, click on create and close. Whenever we created VPC, there will be a route table will be created. See, this is the main route table. Click on route table. The default route table automatically created with the whenever we created VPC. Okay, fine. Now let us create subnets. Subnets is the chunk of the our VPC, or nothing but a small range of IP address. Click on create subnet. Now we are creating the public subnet. It specifies IP address block CIDR range, classless inter-domain range. Format is up to 16 to 28 it supports. By 16 to by 28 netmask it is supports, and select your VPC and select your availability zone. As of now I am selecting AP South 1A availability zone, and our VPC is this, and my IPv4 CADR range from the public subnet is 192.168.1.0 by 24, and click on create and close. Okay, we created our public subnet with the IP range of 192.168.1.0 by 124, and now we will create another subnet vvr private subnet 1 name tag, and VPC vvr VPC and availability zone AP South 1B, and IPv4 CADR block range is 192.168.2.0 by 24. Click on create and close. Up to now we created here public subnet 1 and the vvr private subnet 1. Okay, after that we will create a internet gateway. Click on create internet gateway. I want to give vvr-igw and create internet gateway, and go to actions. It is as of now it is detached. We want to attach our VPC to our vvram VPC. So I attach my internet gateway to the VPC and select on attach actions, and see what I am did is that go to actions, attach to VPC, and after that select vvr VPC and attach it internet gateway. Okay, it is attached to the vvr VPC, and now go to route tables. It is our default route table which is associated with our VPC. Now I want to create the public route table. vvr hyphen public route table, public route table, and select our VPC vvr VPC, and click on create. Okay, created, and after this go to subnet associations, and see there is no subnet association with this route table. Go to edit subnet associations and select the public, because this is a public route table, so select your public subnet and save. See now your subnet association, my public subnet, this is my public subnet, right? It is associated with the vvr public route table. Okay, go to routes, see the routes. There is a 192.168.0.0 by 16. It is a local, and again if you see the main route table routes, there is also locally route is 192.168.0.0 1 by 16. Locally it is communicated. That means the resources in the um, default route table and public route table resources are communicate with each other locally, isn't it? Now go to routes in public routes, edit routes, and add 0 0.0.0 and our IGW, our internet gateway, and save routes and close, and see the our routes. What is this means? Our targeting our internet gateway to the public world. That means from internet, from anywhere you can access to our internet gateway to into your public route table resources. What are our public route table resources? Our subnet. Which subnet it is? Public subnet. We can access from through the internet to our which the resources in the 192.168.1.0/24. Okay guys, we will see the next session. Thank you.